Irupti Laddu controversy, devotees in distress pensive face vertical bar uncovering the true history of the sacred sweet candy. The Tirupati Laddu, a sweet synonymous with devotion and faith, has been at the center of a growing controversy that has left millions of devotees across the world distressed. Known for its unique taste and sacred significance, the laddu is more than just a sweet treat, it's a prasadam, or offering, at the famed Tirumal Venkateswara temple in Andhra Pradesh. The ongoing debate has raised concerns about the purity of the ingredients used to make the laddus, casting doubt on a tradition that dates back hundreds of years. In this audio text, we'll explore the rich history of the Tirupati Laddu, its significance to devotees, and how the recent controversy has impacted their faith. We'll also dive into the temple's response to the allegations and look at what's being done to restore trust in this sacred sweet. A sacred history. The origins of the Tirupati Laddu go back over 300 years, making it one of the most iconic offerings at the Tirumal temple. The laddus are prepared in the temple's kitchen, known as the Potu, by workers who follow ancient methods passed down through generations. The key ingredients, gram flour, sugar, ghee, cashews, raisins, and cardamom, are carefully selected and considered sacred. The process is labor-intensive, with every step seen as part of a religious duty, making the laddu more than just a sweet, it's a spiritual offering. The temple authorities, known as the Tirumal Tirupati Devasthanams, TTD, are responsible for the laddu's preparation. Over the centuries, the laddu has become a symbol of the temple's rich heritage, offered to millions of pilgrims who visit each year. Receiving the laddu is considered to be a divine blessing, and taking it home is a crucial part of the pilgrimage experience. In 2009, the Tirupati Laddu was granted a geographical indication (GI) tag, solidifying its unique identity and ensuring that only laddus made at the Tirumal temple could be called Tirupati Laddus. This tag protects the recipe, ingredients, and process, guarding the laddu's authenticity and maintaining its religious importance. The allegations, a sacred tradition in question. Recently, a controversy erupted over the quality of the ingredients used in the laddus, particularly the ghee, which is an essential component. Ghee holds a significant place in Hindu rituals and offerings, symbolizing purity and auspiciousness. Allegations emerged that the ghee supplied to the temple was adulterated with animal fat, a claim that immediately caused outrage among devotees and temple authorities alike. Devotees were particularly alarmed as animal fat, especially lard, is considered impure in Hindu religious practices. If true, these allegations would not only tarnish the reputation of the Tirupati Laddu but also compromise its spiritual sanctity. For many pilgrims, consuming the laddu is a deeply personal act of devotion, and the thought that it could contain impure ingredients has shaken their faith. As the news spread, it quickly became a topic of national discussion, with devotees demanding answers and assurances from the temple authorities. Social media platforms were flooded with messages from concerned individuals who felt betrayed by the idea that the sacred prasadam they trusted could be tainted. Impact on devotees, a crisis of faith. The controversy has led to widespread distress among devotees. For many, visiting the Tirumal temple is a once-in-a-lifetime spiritual journey. The laddus they receive are not just sweets but tangible blessings from Lord Venkateswara. The recent allegations have caused confusion and disappointment as devotees grapple with the possibility that the prasadam they cherished may not have been pure. For some, this controversy goes beyond the laddus. It has become a question of trust in the temple's administration and the processes in place to safeguard the sanctity of religious offerings. Devotees expect the highest standards of purity and devotion when it comes to prasadam, and the current situation has led many to question how such an issue could arise at one of India's holiest temples. Moreover, This is not the first time concerns have been raised about the commercialization of temple offerings. As temples become larger institutions managing millions of pilgrims, the delicate balance between devotion and business can become strained. For devotees, the laddus are sacred, and any compromise in their preparation feels like a compromise in their spiritual connection to the deity. The temple's response: measures for transparency. In the wake of the controversy, the TTD has responded with immediate action to address the concerns. The contractor responsible for supplying the adulterated ghee has been blacklisted, and the temple authorities have assured devotees that strict measures are being put in place to prevent such incidents in the future. In an effort to restore faith, the temple has also introduced tighter quality control checks on all ingredients used in the preparation of laddus. These measures are meant to reassure devotees that their sacred prasadam is made with the utmost care and devotion, following centuries-old traditions. Temple officials have emphasized that they take the purity of the laddus very seriously. They have promised to conduct regular audits of the suppliers and ingredients to ensure the highest standards are maintained. Additionally, the TTD has publicly committed to improving transparency around the production process, allowing devotees to trust that the sacred offerings they receive are pure and untarnished. Restoring devotee trust, the path forward. As the temple works to address the controversy, restoring the faith of millions of devotees will require more than just immediate actions. The laddus are an enduring symbol of the temple's traditions, and for many, this controversy has left a lasting impact on their spiritual connection to Thirumal. Going forward, the temple must focus on rebuilding trust by maintaining transparency and upholding the highest standards in the preparation of prasadam. Communication with devotees is key. They need reassurances that their concerns are being heard and addressed. This might include regular updates from the temple on the steps being taken to ensure that such issues do not arise again. The controversy has also opened up a broader conversation about the commercialization of temple practices. As the TTD manages millions of pilgrims each year, the challenge will be to ensure that religious traditions remain intact while handling the logistical complexities of large-scale operations. Conclusion: a sacred sweet in crisis. The Tirupati Laddu, which has brought spiritual joy and blessings to millions of devotees, is now at the center of a crisis. For many, this sweet is more than a prasadam, it's a symbol of their devotion to Lord Venkateswara. The controversy surrounding the purity of its ingredients has deeply affected devotees, leading to a crisis of faith. However, the steps taken by the temple to address these concerns show a commitment to preserving the sanctity of this sacred offering. By ensuring strict quality control, transparency, and accountability, the Thirumal temple can work to restore the trust and faith of its devotees. As the controversy unfolds, one thing remains clear: the Tirupati Laddu is an integral part of the temple's rich history and tradition. With the right actions, the temple can reaffirm its commitment to the devotees and continue to serve as a beacon of faith, devotion, and spiritual fulfillment.